Alright, today I'm gonna go and use this Gates machine here, and we're gonna crimp a hose. So what we got here, this is a 16 FJ fitting. There it is, and it is on a 1-inch hose. It's here. Okay, so it's on a 1-inch hose. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come and look at this chart here. And so we have this, it's this 16 hose size 1-inch. So we're gonna go and look down here. It's gonna tell us the crimp outside diameter. This is what it's gonna be measured on the outside of the hose with the crimp on it. So we need the die set 737 for this. So we're gonna go down here wherever you have all your dies at, and we're gonna look on the edge of this thing. That's 735 to 737. It'd be this one here. But since ours is broken, I'm not actually gonna do it. I'm just gonna go through and explain how to do it, or try to. So since this is the female fitting, we need the male fitting. So it's a 16 FJ, so we need the 16 MJ. So we come, it's right here, 16 MJ, go grab it out. This is the male portion, because this piece with the threads on it screws into the other side, which is the female portion. So then we go, we get our length of hose that matches it. I've already measured it and cut it. So what we would do is you'd get some of this lube here and just slap it on this hose to help slide this fitting in, to make sure it goes in all the way. So after you have that on there, then you would come to get your die, and you would slide it in here, and you would slide the hose with the fitting on it through the bottom up, and you would make sure the top of this die is, you know, all level with the hose inside. Then you would grab, there's supposed to be a collar somewhere on here. Ah, here it is. Then you would grab this collar, and then you'd put it over this thing with the hose, you know, fitting sticking out or whatnot, and the die would be sticking up a little bit. And then, since this is 737 die 737, we're gonna have to set our digital readout up there. Come over here, 737 4.14, which it is set. And you set it by rotating this dial here, and what that does, it sends the amount of distance down that this thing pushes down on that collar and crimps it. But before you do that, you're also going to want to make sure you put some grease up in here to minimize the amount of stress it's put on these dies, to help them release easier and whatnot. So that would be it. You would just put that in there, and then you would just hit this button, and the thing would push down and it would crimp. And that's it.